YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. Before I get into the video, I do not think I've recorded a bunch of videos because I'm gonna be out of town for like a week, so I got things that are gonna be dropping lately. But I don't think that I actually made a public upload since we hit 600 subscribers. I'm not sure if we did. Hey, I'm saying thank you again. But guys, we hit 600 subscribers. It's huge, huge, huge. Goal is to hit 700 by the end of this month. I know we could do that. Let's hit 700 by the end of the month. And let's hit 1,000 by the end of the year. So for those of you that are new here, new to the family, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, join the channel, join the family. You get a lot of good content like this. Also, smash that like button since you're already here. Helps with the algorithms. Those of you that are old family members, hitting the like button helps add new family members. It helps the videos get shown to new people by having more likes and comments on videos. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. Now, if you follow my Instagram, you would have already seen on my story kind of what I'm talking about today, and that is these right here, the alternate grape 5s or the purple grapes, whatever you guys want to call them. Now, those of you that have been around the channel since I think we found out we were getting these sometime last year in 2019, maybe the beginning of this year. This is a sneaker that I wanted like crazy. Entered mad store raffles, 3 chance raffles, 3 Foot Locker raffles, 2 Foot Action raffles, 5 Eblin's raffles, Finish Line raffle, Hibbett raffle. Lost every single one of them. This morning, had the opportunity on the Nike sneakers app to go after them. Took another L on the Nike sneakers app. Now, this is a sneaker that I really want in my collection. It's not going to sit there DS. It's going to get worn. It's going to get worn a lot. Those of you that know me know that I love the color purple. The Court Purple Jordan 1 is my second favorite pickup of the year behind the Grail that I was able to get my hands on. If you guys have been around to see that. But, like I said, I do still plan on getting these alternate Grape 5s in hand. But how am I going to do that, you ask? Am I going to pay retail? Not necessarily. I do not plan on resale. I do not plan on paying resale. I plan on paying retail or below retail. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do that. So, first of all, I know at Eblin's, they've been really backed up with deliveries because of the virus and everything that's going on right now. So, at least as of a couple days ago, they still didn't even have their Gym Red 14s in stock that they were supposed to be getting. I don't know. I'm going to call them after I'm done recording this video. I'm not sure, but I don't think that they got their Grape 5s in. So I do think that my raffles there are still valid. But I'll see after I call them. Also, today I'm going to head out to the foot stores. You know what I mean? I'm going to head out to Foot Locker, Finish Line, Foot Action, Champs. I got them all of them in there. I'm going to ask them, like, yo, how long do they have to pick these up? At the time of me recording this video, it's only 10:26. So I'm going to head out there, probably get there at around 11. And I'm just going to ask everybody, like, yo, like, what's going on with these? When can I get them? Because you got to keep in mind, it is a Tuesday, or sorry, it's a Wednesday. So a lot of people are probably at work, probably not able to pick up their shoes. So hopefully one raffle winner who won a size 12 doesn't come and pick them up, and I'll be able to get that first come, first serve after. So that's the second plan, or I guess that's my first plan right now. Eblin's will be down the line if they do decide to call me. And the third plan is, if neither of those work out, then I'm going to sell a pair of shoes on the GOAT app. Use that money, not even transfer it out. Use those credits to put it towards a pair of Grape 5s. And then that way, I mean, that'll be a great consolation. I'll get a pair of Grape 5s, the purple Grape 5s, for less than retail. But I will be losing a pair of sneakers. But the sneakers that I plan on selling are these right here. So if you guys want to buy these, hit me up on my Instagram. Hit me up in the DM if you're interested. 100% dead stock, size 12, Jordan 1 high, Zoom, Racer Blue. Just haven't worn them. Those of you guys that know me know that I'm not the biggest Jordan 1 fan. These are actually nice though, you know what I'm saying? I was thinking about maybe wearing them at some point, but the more and more I have them, I just don't see myself putting them on. You do have some nice detailing here with the clear plastic and the patent leather, how that complements each other. Extra set of laces. But if you guys do want those, hit me up on my Instagram DMs. Let me know in the comments, and we can try to work something out. But that is my last resort. I will probably be, if I can't get them today or later down the line from Eblin's, I'll be keeping my eyes on resale prices on the GOAT app for the alternate purples, and I'll probably be selling these and using that money towards those. So essentially trading through the Goat app to get my court purples. Or if anybody, you know what I'm saying, does have a court purple and does want to just do a straight up one-to-one trade, if you have a court purple in the size 12, maybe even an 11.5, and you want these and you want to do a one-to-one trade, cool. Let me know. Let me know how you're feeling about that. But that's it for this video, guys. I did take an L. You know what I'm saying? I lost the battle, but I didn't lose the war. I can promise you guys, I can almost promise you guys, I can't promise you anything, but the court purples, or sorry, court purples, the reverse, alternate, whatever you want to call it, purple grapes, they will be in my collection at some point. Mark my words. I need them. I need them. I need them. Purple is my favorite color. Definitely want to get them in hand. Love suede on top of that. Love that they did a purple suede. Really want to see them in hand. Definitely want to have them in the collection. So that's what this video was about. Really quick, man. That is it for this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, man. We are over 600 subscribers. 602 at the time of me recording this, I believe. And yeah, goal is to hit 700 by the end of the month. I know we could do it. Want to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's keep on growing. Since you made it this far, you might as well smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps the videos get shown to new people, helps bring new people to the channel and join the family. Last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this one, you guys. As I said, I'm the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.